So Alicia doesn't know that we're recording this right now. So I hope that...
She's on her phone?
Yeah.
Party over here. Oh, oh.
So I hope this makes it in her vlog.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go first. Hi, welcome to Alicia's channel. I'm Erin.
And I'm Melissa. If you like this video,
Smash that like button.
and subscribe for
Ever.
more content. I'm out of breath. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This product that I'm using is e.l.f.'s Poreless Face Primer. Just put a little bit all over my face as a base for makeup. The foundation I'm using is Sephora's Make It Forever Ultra HD in the shade Y415. I really do like this foundation because it's not full coverage, but it's definitely buildable, and it just matched my skin tone so perfectly. I am blending it out with my Real Techniques Beauty Blender. I just got my nose pierced, as many of you may know if you did watch that video, so I'm really trying to avoid my nose ring here. And usually I do tuck my septum when I'm doing my makeup, but I just wanted to leave it out today. All the brushes that you'll see used in this video are either e.l.f. brushes or they have come off of Amazon, so I'm not 100% sure what they're from. This brush is actually an EcoTools brush that I bought at Walmart. For concealer, I'm using the miniature version of the Tarte Shade Tape. This is in the shade Medium. And I'm just going to apply that under each eye. In the middle of my forehead, a little bit right above the cupid's bow, on the highlight or my chin, and down the middle of my nose. I'm going to go ahead and blend that out with the same Real Techniques Beauty Blender. For eye primer, I'm going to use this Make Up Forever Extreme Camouflage Cream. It says that it is waterproof. And I'm just going to put a little bit on the back of my hand and then blend it over each eye using my finger. And later on, I will go in with a brush, the same EcoTools brush from earlier, and just blend it to be a little bit more precise to cover my eye. For setting powder, I do actually use baby powder. I put it in a separate makeup tin that I have, and then with my Real Techniques Beauty Blender, I will just dip it in there and place it under each eye and just bake for a little while with that. Now this particular baby powder that I have in this video, I don't usually use. This one actually has cornstarch in it. That's all I had at the moment. But I would usually just use a normal baby powder without cornstarch. Baby powder is very lightweight and it is still very translucent, and it usually doesn't give any flashback. Now I'm going to go ahead and get started on the eyes using the Tartelette eyeshadow palette. The first shade that I'm going to start with is called Free Spirit, and this is just going to be the base color on my eyes. And I am using just a simple blending brush. Again, I don't really know where that brush came from, most likely from Walmart, somewhere in the cheap section. It is actually one of my favorite brushes. For my first transition shade, I am using the yellow from the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. As you know, if you watched the Ulta Trip haul, this palette does not have names for its colors, but the colors are very beautiful. It went on very smoothly, and I do really enjoy this palette. As you can see, I'm just putting this color right above the crease and blending it out, and I will do that on both eyes. For the next transition shade, I'm going to use the orange from the same palette, and I am actually going to use one of my e.l.f. brushes. Is this a little bit of a smaller blending brush to help me get a little bit more precise. So I'm going to put it just below the yellow, and I'm going to blend that up and out for a more seamless transition. Now, using a Real Techniques brush, I'm just going to swipe away all of that excess baby powder, and I'm also going to lightly take a little bit more and just kind of set the rest of my face with the same powder. Using a flat eyeshadow brush from e.l.f., I'm going to go ahead and go into this aqua color. I'm going to put this right on my lid. Now, this look that I'm going for, I would never usually wear something like this, but wanted to try something new and just have fun with these beautiful colors. I'm starting in the middle of my lid and kind of working my way out. This color is so beautiful. It has such a strong pigment. And again, it's an unusual color. I wouldn't usually use this, but I did really like it. Using another e.l.f. eyeshadow brush, I sprayed it with my NYX Matte Finish setting spray first, and I'm going to mix the Egypt color from the Nubian 2 palette by Juvia's Place and the kind of aqua-y metallic blue shade there, and I'm going to put this on the outer part of my lid and work it towards the middle. Okay, using the other side of that same brush, I'm now going into the bright metallic green in the Zulu palette, and I'm going to put that from the center of my lid towards the inner corner, just kind of blending those two colors together. This color is absolutely beautiful. It's so vibrant. Again, this brush does have a little bit of the NYX setting spray on it, so it is wet. I really did love how these two colors went on, and they do blend so well together. Right here I am using another eyeshadow brush with no eyeshadow on it. This one's just kind of more fluffy to blend those two colors together so it doesn't seem like there's a harsh line in the center of them. Now going back into the Nubian 2 palette by Juvia's Place, I'm going into the color Zuri with a e.l.f. concealer brush. This I'm going to put right onto my inner corner, and it's the same color I'm going to use to highlight my brow bone. Now going back into the Zulu palette on an angled eyeshadow brush, I'm going to use the yellow and the orange color on my lower lid, and I'll also use a little bit of the green on my lower lid towards the outer corner. Now for mascara, I'm using this Wet n Wild 3-step mascara. This actually has a fiber that goes with it that is supposed to elongate your eyelashes, and it actually really does a great job at that. However, I don't really like to use the fiber, so I'm just using this part of it, which is step 1 and 3, which usually you would put on first, add the fiber, and then seal the whole thing again with the same black mascara. This mascara by itself without the fiber elongates my eyelashes really well, so that's why I don't usually use the fibers, because sometimes it gets in my eyes, it makes it a little itchy. So for blush, I'm going to use this Makeup Forever 7P01. It's a very pinky shade. I really love how it makes me kind of look more awake. And I'm going to go ahead and put this at the top of my cheekbones, pretty close to under my eye, and then moving it up a little bit closer to the temple. I saw a video on how Koreans kind of do their blush, and I really liked how it made them look, and so I've been attempting to do it in a very similar way, and I really love how it looks on me. Now for lips, I am using the NYX Slip Tease lipstick, and this is in the shade Plush Pop. If you saw my Ulta trip haul video, then you saw this in the haul. I am absolutely living for this color. Again, this is a bold color that I probably would never use, but I did really like how it turned out for this look. I'm going to finish off the lips by cleaning it up with a little bit of my Shape Tape concealer so that it doesn't look so sloppy. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, subscribe, comment below. I have all the products listed in the description box, so go ahead and check that out, and I'll see you in the next video.